Have you ever wondered how a small basement workshop led to one of the fastest cars on Earth? This is the untold story of Bugatti, a journey filled with art, speed, heartbreak, and an epic comeback. It's not just about cars, it's about a dream that refused to die. Our story starts in 1881 in Milan, with a boy named Ettore Bugatti. His father was a famous artist, but Ettore didn't want to paint, he wanted to build machines. At just 16, he modified a tricycle and created his first motorized vehicle. It wasn't just fast, it was elegant. For Ettore, a car had to be both art and engineering. In 1909, he opened Automobiles Bugatti in Molsheim. His early model, the Type 10, laid the foundation. Then came the Type 13 Brescia, which shocked the racing world. But in 1924, the legendary Type 35 arrived, a car so good, it won over 1,000 races, becoming one of the most successful race cars in history. Bugatti's magic didn't stop there. Ettore's son, Jean Bugatti, joined him and helped design the beautiful Type 57, including the rare and iconic Atlantic. These weren't just cars, they were rolling masterpieces. Around this time, a fearless woman named H.L. Nice, the Bugatti Queen, set land speed records and inspired a generation. But then came tragedy. The Great Depression crushed the luxury car market. In 1939, Jean Bugatti died while testing a car. Ettore was devastated. Soon after, World War II broke out. Bugatti's factory was taken over by the Nazis, and Ettore refused to cooperate. He passed away in 1947, and the original Bugatti era ended. For the next 50 years, the brand disappeared. But in 1998, a new chapter began. Volkswagen Group bought Bugatti and set a bold mission to create the fastest, most luxurious car in the world. In 2005, they launched the Bugatti Veyron. It had 1,001 horsepower, hit 254 miles per hour, and changed the hypercar game forever. Then came the Chiron in 2016, even more powerful, reaching 0–60 mph in just 2.3 seconds. Bugatti was back, faster and more iconic than ever. In 2021, the brand took another bold step by teaming up with Rimac Automobili, a leader in electric hypercars. This partnership aims to blend Bugatti's legendary design with futuristic electric technology, from a dusty workshop to the cutting edge of innovation. This is the incredible journey of Bugatti, a story of vision, loss, rebirth, and speed. Subscribe channel for more inspiring stories like this, where every engine has a history and every turn hides a twist.